Okay guys, let's see here. I'm going to show you guys to get thinkorswim. Okay, this is the thinkorswim platform. It's the chart, the candlestick platform. So you want to go sign up here, and then you could download for paper money, and then just do go through the sign up process, and then download the software thinkorswim to your computer, to your laptop, whichever. Once you've done that, and then you should get a password, a username and password. Then when you sign in, you should get something like this, and just click close on this one. For mine, I already have it all signed up, but for yours, you might not have that yet. So I'm going to show you how to sign up. Let's see here. Okay. When you first get in, you might just see something like this. I want you to go to charts. It's a monitor, trade, and analyze, and just go to charts because that's what we want. And then you probably won't see this. It will just be blank. And earlier you see I have like 6 asset or 6 windows that shows up here. So in order to get 6, you go click on this one and just highlight all 6 of them. Make sure they're shaded in. Click on it. Okay, this one I already have it in. So to get your chart to look like this, go here. You need to choose an asset and scroll down until you see the forex asset here. What I have here is USD and Canada. You can do. I usually trade USD and Canada in the morning, so I just set up all 6 of them. Usually I do USD and Japanese yen here too. So pick the asset, and then your chart will come up like this, and zoom it in so you can see the candle. Sometimes it's not a candlestick, so if it's not a candlestick, click on these little bar here, this bar here. Go to candlestick. It might have been like in bar here. You can see the difference. I'm gonna show you this. You see these bars? I don't use those. Okay, so don't use that. And then go back here and change the bar to a candle. So click on that, and then your candle will look like this. And then the background, if you want to change to black, you go here, I believe. It's been a while, and then you go to appearance, go to common, change to black, apply, okay, and then you get this. Now you see this, the 2 differences here. Here's a D and here's a 1. 1M stands for 1 minute, and we want to change that too. So click on that and change that to 1 minute here. Okay. You guys notice that there's a 5 minute, 15 minute, and 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. So that's that. And then zoom in again, then you get your candlestick chart. Okay, these are chart. These let you know where you at, and let you look at the chart and see how the market's, why the numbers that are moving ups and down. And when you trade in market squirrel, you will notice that there are just a bunch of numbers jumping up and down. Okay, so this is why these candlesticks will give you an idea, a clue of where everything's going. The green ones means they're the buyers. Okay, it just represent people, or just a number, a group of people that are buying things. So these are the candles. The green ones are representing buyers. The red ones here, these are represent the sellers. Okay. So these are sales people, and these are buyer people. So I'll show you how to set up the these lines on a different video. I don't think I could put all in one video here. So, but that's that. Get in that first, and let me know. Okay, I have to pause a little bit there. I gotta do something. Okay. So that's how you do it, and you do the same thing to all of them down here. And then pick all different. Do not pick the same asset, okay? And make sure your time is right. These times has to be right. Your candlestick time has to be right. So you do that all to all of them. If your timing is wrong, and you keep trading, you're gonna lose. And this is the actual real time. These charts are what the professionals are using in stock market too, and they probably have a different setup. Like how they will set up real nice, have a bunch of lines here too, but we don't need all that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And these are the actual real time. These are military time. You notice that we don't have it here. And then these chart here, I mean, this is the actual here right now. This bar is jumping right now, so the market is hot. The market is moving right now. If you see, let me see. I'm gonna scroll back here to, and you could expand this chart too. I think you double click up here somewhere. I think there's a way you could pop that out. Let me see here. I know I was able to do it. This one, yeah, that one just doesn't have any rooms. But anyway, you could always go back to like 6 o'clock this morning, and you could go back to like a couple of days of last week, and you could see how all these candles play out. These little arrows, these are arrows that I have here. These are the one that actually trade. I couldn't zoom in because I record this, so I'm just gonna stop this video. But then to go back to your small, just click on that. Anyway, just get yourself familiar with all these features first, and then just play around with it first, and then I'll show you guys how to set up the rest of these. I just want to keep this video short, just to educate yourself all this information first, then we'll go to the next step here. Like I said, I trade according to this time here. You see this 36, 37. When this gets close to 50, because this represents 1 minute, so I usually just go by that time. Or you could download your own little clock and put on the side here if you want from the internet. But that's how I do it. When it gets to this, then I usually just, if I predict this is gonna go up, this candle's gonna end right now. Each of these candles is a 1 minute. So let's say 1 minute, the next candle's gonna start. Okay, so if you predict that it's gonna go down, then you just hit low, and if you think that's gonna go up, and you just hit high. Different brokers has a different, they sometimes have call or put. Okay, so this is how you set this up, and you guys do that first, and then I'll come up with a different video how you set these up and teach you how to read this properly, so you know how to trade. When you trade, you want this as a backup. You want to look at this chart before you can trade, because this will give you an idea of where the market's moving, up, down, or sideways. Sideways means it doesn't have much buyer or doesn't have much seller. It's kind of dead. Like, for example, like right here, it doesn't go up or down. It does too, but it's just such a small volume that it just going sideways. This is what we want. We want to look for candlesticks that has a lot of volume, like this. And let me see if I could scroll back to earlier day. Like, I don't know, maybe something, yeah, like this. This is within the hour, and we want something that has a real volume here. You don't want to trade something that's real small like this, because the pips that jumps here, you just won't win those kind of trading. So, but download thinkorswim, get it installed, and set up your chart first. Then any comment, just write me a comment and I'll help you out. Otherwise, I'll shoot another video how to set the rest of these up, because that's going to take a little bit of time too. So, and then just play around with trading. And those of you that hasn't traded and want to just take a test drive, look at my other videos and how to set up account in the markets world, and just play around with it first. And if you're serious about trading, then let me know, and then I'll walk you guys through set up all these other lines here. But yeah, you do need strategy in order for you to win trading. It's not like poker or blackjack at the casino, where it's very simple. These, you need a strategy, and you need discipline. Okay, that's very important. So if you like it, let me know, and then we'll proceed with the next step. for those of you that want to go ahead and take a test drive. So, all right, see you guys later. Bye.